In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a strongman and image with a smooth design using Google Gemini. Whether you're a seasoned digital artist or a beginner just getting your feet wet in digital creation, this guide will take you through the process. Step by step. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. You can do this by simply navigating to the Google homepage. Once you're there, enter Google Gemini into the search bar. Google Gemini is an innovative tool that allows you to create stunning, high-quality images with a few simple clicks. After you've typed Google Gemini into the search bar, a list of search results will appear. Click on the official Google Gemini website link. This will take you directly to Google Gemini's main interface where you'll carry out the rest of the image creation process. Now that you've reached the Google Gemini website, you will see an option titled Create Image prominently displayed, often accompanied by a playful icon like a banana. Clicking this option will open the interface you need to start creating your image. With the Create Image interface open, find the plus sign icon. This is where you'll upload any photos you might want to use as a reference or base for your new creation. Click on the plus sign to upload your chosen photo. Uploading a photo can be particularly useful if you're working from a specific idea or reference point. Now comes the fun part, creating your prompt. Crafting a detailed prompt is critical because it guides the AI to understand exactly what you want. For this tutorial, you'll want to enter a prompt that says something like, a hyper-realistic cinematic scene of a powerful man emerging from a fiery explosion, his glowing green eyes and tense muscles radiating raw strength and transformation amid swirling debris and smoke. This descriptive text will help the AI tailor the image to fit the striking vision you have in mind. Once you've entered your prompt, the final step is to hit the Submit button. This sends all the information you've provided, your upload and prompt, into the processing phase. The system will then get to work, applying advanced algorithms to transform your vision into a high-quality image. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively use Google Gemini to create captivating and striking strongman images with a smooth design. Whether it's for your next project, for professional use, or just for a bit of creative fun, Google Gemini is a powerful ally in digital artistic expression. Remember, the more you experiment with different prompts and uploads, the more you'll refine your skills and enhance your creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!